Okay, so the square root of 100, I'm not quite sure what you put as your answer, but square root of 100 means what two numbers do you multiply to give you 100, and they've got to be the same number. So you're looking for something times by itself to give you 100, and of course that has to be 10. So the square root of 100 is 10. So you've done what a lot of people do, which is you said like 5 times 3 is 15. But this isn't 5 times 3, it's 5 to the power of 3, which means it's 5 times 5 times 5. So you need to work out what that is. 5 fives, get your answer, multiply your answer by 5. Hi, so we've got 3x's are 24. Now I'm going to go through something slightly different because I want you to solve these questions yourself. So I'm going to make up a slightly different question. I'm going to make 5x equals 15. So 5 lots of x are 15. To get one lot of x, we'd have to divide both sides by 5. So remember with equations, there's one rule only, which is do the same thing to both sides. So divide both sides by 5. That will give you x equals 15 divided by 5, which is 3. So I'd like you to go back and solve that one yourself. In the same sort of way here, again, I'm going to do a different question. So we're going to have y minus 5 equals 7. So in order to get rid of that minus 5, I need to do the same thing to both sides, which is add 5 and add 5. So y minus 5 add 5 is nothing, equals 7 plus 5, which is 12. See if you can make those corrections yourself. Okay, you've got the right idea. I like that you've put little circles and squares around these. I'm just going to write that out again. So the reason why I think you've gone wrong is you've not been quite careful enough about how you circle things. So if I circle the 10a and the minus 2a, the point is that that symbol there goes with what comes after it, so that minus belongs to that 2a. And in the same sort of way, that plus belongs to the 4c and that belongs to the minus 3c. So 10a minus 2a is going to give you an answer, and then 4c minus 3c is going to give you an answer, but I'm going to leave you to try and work out what those are. And finally, this question here, a times a times a, if we were adding them, just make this a little bit smaller, get rid of it. If I was saying a plus a plus a, I would have 3a, but I'm not, I'm multiplying them. So a times a times a is actually a cubed. So go back to your sheet and do corrections.